Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to Lynn's channel. My name is Lynette Ayako and I welcome you all to this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Feel welcome. You're a very important person to this family. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for finding it fit to be a member or a subscriber to this channel. So this video is a continuation from the previous video that I did of cleaning my bedroom, and that day was my birthday. So it was on a Friday, so I decided to make some cake so that we can just eat in the house before I can go out and make some order for a birthday cake and celebrate with friends. So I decided to make the brown cake using Blue Band, sugar, flour that is self-rising. Then I used this mixer, a hand mixer, to mix everything, and I used the normal cocoa to make my brown cake.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
So I had already preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So I put the mixture to bake for 30 minutes. But initially when the time was over for baking, I went to check and my cake was not done inside. So I decided to cover it with foil so that it can cook completely. But instead of it getting ready, it decided to burn on top. But anyways, it disappointed me further when it came for the time for me to remove it from the containers. It was sticking. So I don't know what went wrong. I don't know if I didn't line the baking trays well. I've not understood. Or is it that I left them for too long in the containers until they created the moisture? I don't know. But anyways, the cake was super moist and tasty. So here, this is a gift I gave myself for my birthday. And this is a courtesy of a chama that we have, where we are 9 members and we are contributing 3,000 each. So I was able to get this laptop at 24,500 shillings, and I'm really happy about myself. So it's good to give to yourself sometimes. So I'm going to keep this aside for my husband because he's not around, and the other piece was for a friend who was to come and pick it, so that she can go and have a taste. So this one I'll eat with my nanny and my daughter and give it to a friend to taste a piece of it. So here we are tasting. It's yummy. Just look at it. It's very moist. In fact, it was very spongy. It just decided me on the shape and the color on top where the sprinkles got burned, but the cake was moist and sweet. This is on a Saturday. The next day I stepped out, so I went to town and did some shopping. I got some soap, the Lanzo soap, some washing powder, some tissues there, some washing bar, soft care. I got the baking flour, the wheat flour. I got this Santa green grams. I got some rice. In fact, I bought 2. Was it 2 or 3? Then I got this essence. I wanted to test and see how it will taste. Then I got the ginger tea bags, some tea leaves from Kericho tea. I got this 2-liter bottles of soda. Then I got this smokies, that is a pack. And I got this what do we call them, okra. I got okra from Quickmart. Then I was able to get this cake, and this cake was on offer. It was going for 800 shillings. I did not want a forest cake, but because I got these the ones that were available and on offer, I took it. So we go for offers mostly because we go for the cheaper things to save a coin.
When it's hot, I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but up at 2 and off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's
Now this is in the evening of that Saturday. I had cooked some pilau because the guests were coming. So I love the outcome, and this pilau was very, very sweet. I'm telling you guys, it was very sweet. I just used onions, the red onions, ginger, and some soy sauce I mean, and salt. Those are the only thing, and pilau masala. And you can see the way the pilau looks like. It was very sweet and tasty. I'm telling you, the aroma, guys, wow, it was really yummy. And I really loved the way the meat was fried and it was having that dark color. It was very, very sweet. So I had prepared as I was waiting for the visitors.
Places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lindsay. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Birthday siya, walang green. Umechangamkia. Fight your battles.
So this is on a Monday morning. I was making some breakfast. So I did this paste using yeast, sugar, some salt and the flour, and I was making these small mandazis, and I'm telling you guys, we really enjoyed these bites.
You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights. I know, but I will guide you home.
Now recently I decided to start a skincare routine because I realized my face has started having breakouts again. So here I was just washing with the soap, that is just my bathing soap. Then after washing in, I'll go in with the Arabic coffee scrub. Then after scrubbing my face, I'll wipe it dry and apply a mask that I will prepare using honey and turmeric. Then leave it for some 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes I will wash, then wear my aloe vera gel which moisturizes my face very well, and apply my lip balm on my lips. Yeah, that is my simple skincare routine.
So to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.